In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Telegram usernames. A username on Telegram is your public handle. It makes it easy for people to find or message you without sharing your phone number, and it's the name that can appear in search. Keep in mind, usernames are visible to others, so choose something you're comfortable sharing. Start by opening the Telegram app. On the main screen, look to the top left corner and tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. This opens your main navigation panel, so you can quickly get to your account details. If your layout looks slightly different depending on device or platform, that's okay. The goal is to reach your profile. Next, tap your profile photo or choose the option labeled My Profile. This takes you to your personal profile page where you can see your display name, phone number, and other account info. This is the place where Telegram lets you manage things that are public facing, including the username we're about to set. On your profile page, find the field labeled Username. If you've never created one, it will show None. Go ahead and tap that field to open the editor. If you already have a username, you'll be able to change it here using the same steps. Now type your desired username. Telegram usernames can include letters, numbers, and underscores, and they can't contain spaces. Short, clear, and memorable names work best. If the exact name you want isn't available, try adding an underscore, a short word, or a number that still feels natural. Aim for something that represents you or your brand and is easy for others to remember. As you type, Telegram will check availability. If the username is available, you're good to go. If it's not, you'll see that it's taken. Keep adjusting until you find a free one. When you're happy with your choice and it's available, save it by tapping the check mark in the top right corner on iOS or done on Android. That confirms the change and updates your profile instantly. That's it. Your Telegram username is now set. People can find you by searching for it, and you can share it when you want to connect without revealing your phone number. If you ever change your mind, you can return to your profile and edit the username again. Just remember that choosing something respectful and recognizable helps others know they've found the right person. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Telegram username.